All right, boys and girls, we are on slide number 8. It's the last question in your Desmos activity for today. Let's read and see, understand the information that they're giving us. So this is an adult ticket for a museum costs $7.65. A child's ticket costs $5.40. What expression can be used to determine how much more, this is important, how much more it costs to purchase an adult ticket than a child's ticket? So, first thing we need to decide is, are we going to do addition or subtraction? What operation is going to solve this problem for us? Now we're trying to find how much more the adult ticket is than the child's ticket. So we're finding the difference between them. And we know that when we're looking for the difference, we want to subtract. All right, so we're looking for the difference. So in the center, I want to put our operation, and our operation is going to be subtraction. All right, then I have to determine, okay, so what am I finding the difference between? The difference between the adult ticket and the child's ticket. So my adult ticket costs $7.65. I don't know why my decimal didn't go there. So I'm going to make that the first digit in my expression here. And I'm going to take away the amount of the child's ticket, which is $5.40. So I could change it, I suppose. Let me try again. It does, I know it gets hard to write with these ones. They're a little thicker than the ones on our Class Connect whiteboards. I'll just make it go outside a little bit. All right, so our expression is $7.65. Take away $5.40. If you did not come up with this expression, you understand why we need to use the subtraction symbol, okay? Because we're finding how much more, we're finding a difference. And you need to check your whiteboard, make sure it looks like mine.